Welcome to the Charter Guest app Menus video, where you will learn how to create beautiful digital menus and display them on the Charter Guest app for the guests to see. First, open the Charter Guest app module, then click the Menus button here. From this page, you can create a new menu, find and reuse an existing menu, or view the menus that are currently displayed on the app. To create a menu, click this button to open the menu creator. First, select the menu type from the list. Then enter the menu's name here. This menu name identifies the menu for you only and will not display for the guests. The next step is to either upload your own background image here or select a preloaded background from this list. Now it's time to add the menu options to the page. Click on the right side image and type the menu heading and menu items. To format the text, click on the top button options and select the required format. Once finished, click the Publish button. In the Publish tab, first choose if this menu is to display on the Charter Guest app. If you select No, this menu will not display on the app. If you select Yes, the menu will display on the app as soon as you click the Save button. Now choose if you want to add a message for the guests to read when the menu opens on the app. If you select Yes, then add the message date, the message heading, the message body, and select who the message is from. The message example displays on the right side, so you can see what the guests will see. Lastly, if you would like to save this as a favorite, then move this slider to Yes and enter the menu's favorite's name. Once finished, click the Save button. All favorite menus will display in the Menu Creation section, which gives you quick access to create new menus based on their preset design and background image. To edit a favorite menu, click this icon. To copy a favorite menu, click this icon, and to remove a menu as a favorite, click this icon. All menus will display in the respective menu history section, and they can be reused and edited at any time by clicking on the row and selecting from these options. You can see which menus are currently selected to display on the Charter Guest app by opening this section. The menus will display on the Charter Guest app in the order they are displayed here. To rearrange the order, just drag and drop the tile. To edit the menu, click this icon. To copy the menu, click this icon, and to remove the menu from displaying on the Charter Guest app, click this icon. Guests will immediately see any changes that are made to a menu that is already displayed on the app. If you don't want the guests to see the menu before you're finished, then make sure the Display on App slider is showing No. If you'd like a printed version of this menu, just click one of these buttons to open your browser's print function. From the Charter Guest app, guests can easily read each of the displayed menus by tapping on the Menus button and swiping left or right to see the next menu. There are no limits to the amount of menus that you can publish. And there are no limits to how many menus can be displayed together on the Charter Guest app. If you have any questions, please contact support@charterguest.com.